Oh Lord, oh Lord, help us please, help us to be above our haters, to be above our haters. Oh Lord, we need you to give us a hand. We need your hand. Give us your will to rise again, to rise again. Just pray for it, 'cause it's Africa.
My Africa is a collection of 54th cousins, maybe once removed, but will be united once again.
My Africa is a few million pieces of a puzzle put together, bringing all beauty, all wisdom, all youth, and all hope.
Africa speaks as many languages as the times it has been silenced, yet roars as one.
My Africa is 54 shades of Ebonic beauty. My Africa is hip-hop. It made the whole globe dance. My hip-hop is ivory hearts and diamond souls. My Africa is a mystery we are still solving till this day.
الزحمة في المواقف، الرحمة في المواقف، سفنجة عفصة باتا، ريح الشكة المريسة طاقة من كمبل فلاتة، دي أفريقياي.
أفريقيتي ذوقي الموسيقي الطروب، لحن تراءى للمغني حين شقت الطيور. أفريقيتي معناي، لون دمايا، بعد لا يحد رؤاي، أرضي موطني وسمايا. أفريقيتي نار فتوة، قدرة لا يستطيع الوقت محو خطاها، أصل مغايرة التوقع، انتشاء، رقصة، طرب، وآلاف العقائد، عطور وأروع من بخور.
My Africa is the motherland. My Africa is the perfect combination of land and man. My Africa is the sweetest melody my lips can chant.
My Africa is the true beauty of nature. A tall Dinka tribe queen mixed with an Arabian culture. A painting with the color of the world, with a unique structure, is my Africa.
Africa, it is a dream of one, a dream of all. It is to me is what a prayer is to the soul. It is a voice in a deadly era, the reflection of a history painted on a broken mirror. It is what a world it ought to see, feel and remember, the clouds, the mountains, the rivers and the roaring thunder.
Africa. Africa opened its arms and heart to me without hesitation, without questioning, and with good intention. Africa is my home, my family, my love and peace, my blessings.
Mama Africa gave birth to the pyramids, and now she's the voice of the voiceless. My humble words can't really describe how great it is to be an African. I'm African, and I'm digging it.
Our Africa is strands tied into knots, is tongues projected to mics, is lines, not borders, but lines of heart.
Africa is the place where it all started, that perfect drumline that gets everybody dancing. If I was to claim that I was anything but African, know that I would definitely be lying.
Africa is what I feel when I'm having a nightmare and have mother wakes me up at the middle of the night. Africa is a dying child, but yet can fight. My Africa is perseverance, bright future, and a source of light.
جوهر حديثي يتلألأ بلمعان قلب الشاب، أحمل ثرى التكلم بلاغة لا أدري إن كانت بلاغة التي استمحيتها منك عذرا يا أفريقتي. أتفكر فيك وكيف تكفيني كفاءة اللفظ إصابة لخطابي بفطانة من عقلي لا تكفيني من قبلي.
Africa is the taste of blood after a hard battle, bitter coffee after 4 hours of studying, the wisdom of 10-year-olds, 20-year-olds, 35, 70, and even 100-year-olds all coming together combined to connect the lines connecting this piece of hard work, Africa.
My Africa is the womb that birthed all of these cultures and tradition. She is rich in diversity and in perspective. She's hard to translate but easy to understand, and she was here long before we arrived, and inshallah she'll be here long after we are gone.
My Africa is neither black or white. My Africa is a mosaic of every color ever created. My Africa is universally God's gift to mankind. My Africa was the beginning and my Africa shall be tum taraga till the end of time.